So startup founders, PE, VC funds, and even angel investors can learn a very important lesson from this document itself. That's the Constitution of India, which can save them from potential non-compliance and the cost that they have to incur later. And the legal lesson to be learned here is actually pretty simple. And the lesson is that anything, any act, any rule that goes against this document, that's the Constitution of India, just does not stand. It is null and void from day one. Now understand it from an example. See, this is a law that is passed by the parliament with the majority of votes and also receives the assent of the president later on, which means that procedurally it is perfectly fine. But even after doing all of that, being perfectly fine as far as the procedure is concerned, if there is anything that is mentioned in this very law that goes against the constitution and is inconsistent with it, it just does not stand. It is null and void from day one. But just like a country has a constitution, the startups slash companies that are raising funds also have constitutional slash charter documents. That is the memorandum of association as well as the articles of association, which effectively works like the constitution of the country itself. Now, if any corporate action that you take in the company or any contract that you execute or any right that you give to somebody that is inconsistent with your constitutional documents, that is null and void from day one. And during fundraising transactions, especially in shareholder agreements, there are certain different rights or certain additional rights that are generally granted to investors. There are certain restrictions that are imposed on the founders. So before doing that, you have to actually check whether that is allowed in the AOA or not. And if it is not allowed, then you make a suitable amendment that mirrors that right or restriction in the AOA or the constitutional document. Because if you do not do that, no matter how perfect you were with your intentions and with the procedure, by now you must know that it does not stand at all. It is null and void from day one.